Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Uh, Today is Monday. Gold has been dropping, as you can see. We're most definitely looking for sells. We just came off of a rejection on this next candle that we're on now. We are definitely bearish. So let's go ahead and find our zones. All right, so let's see. So starting on the monthly. We're definitely bearish, as you can see. On a weekly, I want to say we're still bearish because we do have a technically bullish candle, but as you can see, there's like zero body there. So, and we fell underneath where that body was. So we're definitely should be looking for a sell. Now, looking at the daily, we are very, very close to taking this low. We have not taken it yet. It looks like price is just looking for an area to hit, and then we should fall to the bottom. But we did have a rejection up here at these highs. We took liquidity up here. As you can see, we barely took that high. If I put my line there, you can see we barely took that high, and then we dropped straight down. So we should definitely be looking for a sell based off the daily as well. Now on our 4 hour, we have not taken the low to the left. Technically, we spiked it. It looks like we had a liquidity grab at the bottom, or it just came really, really close. No, we definitely took that low. So we are definitely bearish. And same thing as you can see, we had a supply here. We had a supply here that got ran. And as you can see, that liquidity got swept, but it was playing off of this here. So as you can see, price was playing off of that supply over here. And that high got ran right here. But we overall respected this area and we fell back underneath it and pushed down hard. Now on the 1 hour, we have a gap right here, and then we had a good push to the bottom. So this should be our zone to trade off of. And as you can see, once we came back up to it, we rejected it. So we might actually not get a trade because it already tapped that area. But you never know. We could possibly get an extension to the bottom and then a pullback to retest this area right here. And that would be our trade. But let's just keep going and see what we see. So now coming to the 15, we still don't have much of anything other than this area right here. This would be the only area that I would be willing to take a trade off of. And it just looks like we're trying to take a low right at the moment. And even up in here, we still don't have a trade to take. So we're really just waiting. We might not trade today. Today might be a video game type of day. Might play some Valorant or some Call of Duty. We'll see. Let's open Discord. Let's see if we got anybody on Discord. But yeah, I don't really see a trade to take. I mean, we're taking lows now, but we would need to be coming back up to retest this high for me to want to do anything. So we're gonna have to wait. And based off of the 5 minute, I don't really see anything other than like this, but I'm not confident in that. So I would be okay missing this. I'm not confident in that whatsoever. The only area would be this one here. But this is not really something I want to take. But we're respecting it. So I don't know. Although we just took the lows here on the 5 minute, we took a low on the 15. We have not taken the low on the 30, but we did just tap into this demand on the 30. So we could see price reverse to the upside right now or very soon. Yeah, coming off of this right here. And another reason why I'm looking for a sell over a buy is just because of these huge gaps that we have here. We have a huge gap here, and price always gets drawn to these gaps. So therefore, I'm looking for a sell because we had gaps here and a gap here, and what happened? Price was drawn to it. And the same thing with these gaps. Price was drawn to it. So it just kept going because we had more gaps to fill. So that's what we're waiting for. And we shall see what we get. But for now, let's play some video games. So before I even got to do anything, price is running back to our zone. Let's see if we got any news. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. The price is currently sprinting back to our area of interest. So instead, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube because if I'm playing a game, it's probably gonna take all of my attention. Where if I'm watching a video, I can just go back and forth. I'm definitely not taking this, but I just want to mark it, see what happens. I'm not taking this though, because we just fucked that low. I'm good. I like the low to be respected, so I'm cool off of that. Oh shit, that bitch is running. So I didn't take this on my main account, but this is what our trade is looking like. All right, we're up $40. I'm gonna let y'all see if I can get, there we go. Let me pause. All right, so we're up $100 on this trade. Just so you guys see that I am in a trade. I'm just not taking it on my Express accounts. I don't feel comfortable taking it, but we are in. And this should drop dramatically. I just need to watch it. We're floating to 216. So I'm gonna move stops by limit. Eight. Whoa. Oh well, I got out. I don't know what happened. The market was moving weird, and realistically, my stop loss was like here. I got out somewhere up here. It should just take all this out. There's no reason it shouldn't. But with the way gold has been, I didn't feel comfortable taking this on my account. I'd rather take it on my TradeAvate account. But on my Express accounts, no, I'm good. I'll wait for my Express accounts. I ain't no rush to take trades on them. The market ain't looked the best this morning, and we could come back to fill this gap that's right here. So I'm good off of this. I'm done for the day. Made 380. Like I wanted to put a limit order right here and then hold it for the move to the bottom, but I don't know how to do it. As soon as I hit buy or sell, well, I'm gonna see it in the recap, but as soon as I hit the button for the limit to go here, it took me out. I guess I had it on market most likely, but we're just in a consolidation area. As you can see, now price is trying to come back, so we done. We're not trading no more today. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. This was the way my zones were looking. I just had it drawn up on the wrong chart. And then we had to migrate over to micros because I'm not trading full contracts. We're doing micro contracts. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.